Okay, my name is Jackie, and before I came to see Dr. Cindy Sholes, I was having issues with anxiety related to water activities, and specifically, I like to kayak, and I was having trouble managing the kayak in water and underwater. So I was given Dr. Cindy Sholes' name, called her up. I live in Florida. She lives in California. We couldn't meet personally, so we used a tool on the internet called Zoom. It's a technology that allows you to have a conversation and meetings even though you can't be physically present. And it has worked extremely well for me. I now can perform all of those kayaking activities that I've always wanted to do, one of which is to roll the kayak up under the water and then back up, and do not have anxiety about falling into the water. And it's just been miraculous and life-changing. It's a good way to describe it. And as a result of those particular sessions with Dr. Sholes, I started looking at personally in my professional environment how I could improve my skill set there and my communication and my interactions with others. And I have seen a dramatic difference in handling difficult situations and conversations, and really addressing them, directly without any negative impact. In fact, it's always a positive outcome. And so I can't speak highly enough about her services, and would encourage anyone to avail themselves of her services in state or out of state through the internet. So I just wanted to share that with you. Thank you.